Here I have OPPO F9. Let me show you how to use here secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's here open the phone's dialer and let's start with manual test. So let's open this code *808#, and this is manual test called also engineer mode. Here you can use assembly test projects. You can see device debugging. Here you can see the camera, media debugging, and other stuff such as, for example, communication. And for example, here you can check the software version. Alright, let's go back. Now it's time to open another engineer mode. This time let's use *#36#46633#**. As you can see, another engineer mode just pops up. This is also test mode. Here you can see the telephony info and tests. Here you can check out the connectivity right here. Here you can check the Bluetooth, FM receiver, Wi-Fi. Let's swipe left. Here you've got hardware testing. You can use the camera, sensor, video, and this is also the location, log and debugging, and for example some others. Alright, so that's it. Let's go back. Now it's time to check out the other secret codes. For example, color OS version. Let's use *12345# and color OS version just pops up in front of you. Alright, now let's open the e-warranty card. So let's use here *12345#, and as you can see, e-warranty just pops up in front of you. Let's go back, and this time let me open here the testing menu. So all you need to do is use this code *4636#, and the testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information. You can select here the usage statistics. Here you've got the list of all apps, and you can see the counter and the usage time. You can also here go back and use the Wi-Fi information. This is really helpful because you can here use the Wi-Fi API to disable network, disconnect network, enable network, or get configured networks, or simply get connection info. You can here also select Wi-Fi config, and here you've got your configured networks. Alright, so it's time to open the Wi-Fi status. Here you can refresh or start or run a ping test. Use back key again, and this time let me show you how to quit the testing menu just by using the back key, and it's time to open the calendar info. So let's use this code, the *225#**. As you can see, the calendar info just pops up. Here you've got a couple of information from your calendar, so let's use it. Let's go back, and it's time to open the Google Play service. So you have to enter this code *426#**. As you may notice right here, the Google Play service just pops up. Here you can use ping, connect, disconnect, or simply events. Use back key, and it's time to open the Google debugging. So let's use this code, the *759#**, and sometimes the debug UI may pops up in front of you. Alright, so at the end let me show you how to check the email number by using the secret code. So let's use *06#, and the email number just pops up. Tap OK to close this window. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.